Hi guys! In this lesson, our task is to create a pivot table that is going to serve as a source for our report. This is something that you already know how to do, but let's practice it one more time to be sure. I'll open the sheet where we have all of our source data, and we'll select all the data on the sheet. Then I'll click on the Insert tab, which will allow me to insert a pivot table in a new worksheet, which is exactly what we want to do here. Let's think of the structure of our pivot table. We want it to show all the data we have in the source sheet in a particular way. Let's add the year field to the table's columns area. This will separate the data for the 2 years. We can also do that for the month field, placing it below year. Then, I would like the rows of the table to show the quantity we had for each of the brands in our database. That's why I'll drag the field brand, and we'll put it in the rows area. Perfect! This is what our table will look like. All we have to do is populate it with some data. I'll select each of the fields that we have here: volume, gross sales, discounts, net sales, cost of goods sold, distribution, and warehousing. As you can see, everything that we'll need was added to the values area. Our pivot table is now ready. Stay tuned for the next lecture, which will show you how we can populate the whole report with a single formula.